In this video, we explore the top 15 strongest devil fruits in the One Piece universe, ranking them based on their abilities, power and impact on the series. Get ready to discover some of the most formidable powers in the world of One Piece. Number 15. Rumble Rumble Fruit. The Rumble Rumble Fruit is an electricity-based Logia-type devil fruit that can deliver power output just as great as Kaido's fruit. It also provides the user with an absurd amount of abilities, like all Logia fruits. The Rumble fruit allows a user to become intangible, becoming outright invincible to foes that don't yet possess Haki. Enel can travel great distances in the blink of an eye, control the weather to an extent, and even use the heat from his lightning-based body to reforge weapons. It is often believed that the only reason why Enel was defeated is that he found his natural enemy in Luffy, a human made of rubber, which is a material immune to electricity. Also, Enel relied on his devil fruit powers too much, was arrogant and cocky, and clearly never developed his abilities to their extreme. Number 14. The Pawpaw Fruit. The Pawpaw Fruit was eaten by Kuma. It allows Kuma to repel anything he touches, including people, objects, and even electrical signals in someone's nervous system. Kuma's main use of the Pawpaw Fruit is to travel great distances to places he's previously been to, which he can use on himself and anyone he touches. The Pawpaw Fruit has also been shown to have the ability to affect intangible concepts such as memories, pain, and potentially even souls. Kuma could theoretically teleport someone across the world with no memory of who or what they are, making this devil fruit power one of the most horrifying out there. Number 13. Glint Glint Fruit. The Glint Glint fruit allows Kizaru to turn his body into light, making him incredibly fast and virtually impossible to hit without using Haki. On top of that, his powers enable him to shoot lasers, which makes him easily able to defeat enemies from a long range. He can also manipulate light to create weapons like a blade of light or even clones of himself. These abilities make him a devastating opponent to face up close and from afar. Even when compared to his fellow admirals, just operating at the speed of light would make Kizaru unbeatable. Number 12. Ice Ice Fruit. Former One Piece Admiral Kuzan's Ice Fruit is among the most potent devil fruits of all, being able to contest Admiral Sakuzaki's Magma Fruit for 10 days. Its power is so great that it permanently changed half of Punk Hazard's landscape, suggesting it may even be on par with Sakuzaki's Devil Fruit, which is said to boost the highest offensive power among Logias. Notably, Kuzan froze tsunami waves generated by Whitebeard and turned Marineford's Bay into an ice cape in moments. This power grants Kuzan notable offensive power at both close and long range, while maintaining the standard level of Logia intangibility. Number 11. Bird Fruit. This devil fruit allows the user to turn into a mythical creature, Phoenix. The user can completely turn himself into one or maintain a hybrid form at their will. Flames surrounding Marco can be used to heal him. The wings allow him to fly faster and can be used in combat too. This fruit makes the user an all-star fighter. Marco proved the worth and power of this devil fruit in both the Marineford War and also helped recently during the raid on Onigashima. Undoubtedly, this devil fruit is one of the strongest mythical zone devil fruits out there. Number 10. Soul Soul Fruit. Big Mom's Soul Soul Fruit is one of the most versatile in the series, which is part of what makes it so powerful. Its powers enable Big Mom to extract part of a person's soul and use it to animate any object she wishes. Extracting a soul reduces its victim's lifespan, potentially making this a fatal ability on its own. However, this only works on enemies who fear Big Mom. Her powerful living weapons, like Zeus and Prometheus, give her terrifying offensive capabilities. If she ever gets injured, Big Mom can animate her body parts and have them heal themselves. Number 9. The human fruit. Model Daibutsu. Daibutsu devil fruit was considered to be the most powerful devil fruit in the world at that time. But again, we only got a small glimpse of its powers. This devil fruit allows the user to become a giant golden Buddha at their will. Sengoku was considered to be as great as Garp and the Pirate King. The user's main power is that they can generate powerful shockwaves capable of dealing tons of damage to a great number of enemies. Number 8. Magma Fruit. Akainu is known for his ruthlessness and unwavering sense of justice, often delivered brutally. His devil fruit complements this personality by being an extremely destructive power, burning through other Logia users with ease. Akainu's molten rock body means that if an opponent can close the gap, they still have to worry about intense heat in close quarters combat. Another devil fruit with similar power exists in the series, the Fire fruit, formerly owned by Ace and now by Sabu. However, the series made painfully clear when Akainu killed Ace, magma is superior to mere fire and can burn at much hotter temperature, making it one of the deadliest devil fruits in existence. Number 7. Fish fruit. The fish fruit, model Azure Dragon, is a mythical zone type devil fruit that was eaten by One Piece's Kaido after the fruit was given to him by Big Mom. This devil fruit allows the user to transform into a gargantuan flying dragon capable of breathing fire and destroying mountains. This devil fruit specializes in raw strength, and its natural ability could be seen in Momonosuke's usage of the cloned devil fruit during his battle with Kaido. Kaido's devil fruit, while not the only source of his strength, contributed to make him known as the world's strongest creature. Number 6. The Quake fruit. The Quake fruit was wielded by Whitebeard, once known as the strongest man in One Piece's world. The fruit allows the user to create powerful and massive vibrations that can travel through any surface and even affect the very foundations of the earth and cause tsunamis. Whitebeard used the power to create earthquakes that could split entire island in half. The mere threat of his power was enough to make even the navy tremble. After Whitebeard's death at Marineford, Blackbeard stole the power and became the only person to wield two separate devil fruits. Number 5. Dark fruit. If all devil fruits stem from people's dreams, the dream that created the dark fruit must have been a nightmare. Blackbeard's first fruit could easily be considered the strongest devil fruit in the One Piece world. He was once part of the Whitebeard Pirates. Until the fruit was discovered. Then Blackbeard betrayed and murdered a fellow member of the crew to steal it. This devil fruit has unique properties that allow it to absorb and cancel out the powers of the other devil fruits, automatically giving it a massive edge in battles between fruits user and other frightening abilities. Blackbeard can create black hole-like phenomena with the vortex that can absorb, crush and expel entire towns. He also uses the ability to manipulate gravity to pull foes to him. Blackbeard will be a tough opponent to beat with such monstrous powers at his disposal. Number 4. OP fruit. The OP fruit is a paramecia type that allows the user to create a spherical area of influence that will enable them to manipulate anything within it as it were a doctor's operating room. Law can use his power to make shift surgery on anyone or anything within his sphere, even removing their hearts and souls without killing them. He can also teleport objects and people within his sphere and create powerful shockwaves that ripple through the air. The OP fruit is said to be able to perform something known as the immortality procedure, where the user gives up their life to ensure someone is capable of living forever. It's a trick that will likely have Lop play a big part in One Piece story before it ends. Number 3. Gyoki Devil Fruit. One Piece fans have had more time to get to know Saturn and his devil fruit. Saturn has displayed a paralyzing gaze and the ability to use poison, but Saturn uses his tentacle-like legs to administer toxins. The Gyoki can also consume the shadow of its victims, resulting in high fever and death. They can also attack from the water and take human form, though that likely won't matter for a devil fruit user. Overall, Saturn is as close to the Oshi Oni myth as One Piece character can get. Number 2. Imu-sama Devil Fruit. When one speaks of villains in One Piece, none hold as much weight as Imu-sama, who is incredibly powerful character. Imu was recently revealed to have a powerful devil fruit. However, the name of his devil fruit has not been revealed to the fans just yet. In the case of Imu, this devil fruit could be the Hito no Mi, model Akuma. It is clear that Imu will have a very overpowered devil fruit ability that could in some ways parallel Luffy. If Luffy is the sun god that liberates people, then Imu will be evil that enslaves people. It makes perfect sense for them to be at the head of the celestial dragons and the sovereign of the entire world. Number 1. The Gum Gum Fruit. The Gum Gum Fruit model Nika is one of the most interesting fruits in One Piece. For much of the story, Luffy's devil fruit was believed to be called the Gum Gum Fruit. In fact, it is a mythical zone type fruit that allows Luffy to take the form of an ancient deity named Nika, who was once worshipped as a sun god. The world government has tried to erase the name from history, in fear that the legendary figure who once represented freedom would return to the world and liberate its people from the oppressive rule the world government has held for centuries. The powers of the Nika fruit are said to be the most ridiculous in the world. When Luffy awakened his devil fruit in his brutal battle against Pirate Emperor Kaido, it granted him complete and total freedom over his own body and the ability to manipulate his surroundings as if they were made of rubber, including things like lightning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the countdown of the top 15 strongest devil fruits in One Piece, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.